Okay, today we are making a video on how to disassemble and clean the power nozzle on the Rainbow SRX. Very simple. First thing we're going to need is either a coin or a flat tip screwdriver. And we are going to take it to the lock channel right here. And we are going to spin that to the unlocked position. So there's the unlocked position. Lock is right there. After we have unlocked it, we have 4 pressure points. So the first pressure point is right here where the lock button is. Second one is right there. And then the third one right there. Fourth one right there. So we do this in 2 steps. We're going to start with these 2 and then move to those 2. I'm going to lay this flat. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push my thumb in on that one there. And then I'm going to push my thumb in on the one down by the lock. Then I'm just going to lift it. Now, the second you lift it, you will fill the gap between this spinner and the sole plate itself. And then we're going to come over and do the exact same thing to the other side. So we're going to lift it. Now it is free. We're going to grab at the front and we're going to lift it up and out. Now that we've lifted it up and out, we have the sole plate disconnected. If we want to, we can take this and wash it in the sink. You just want to make sure you don't use anything super abrasive to scrub it, but you can wipe it out real good, clean it up, put it in the sink. This part can get fully submerged. It don't have any electronic components, but you want to make sure it's completely dry before putting it back on. We'll set that guy to the side. Now, the most prone area for blockages on this machine is right here. So if we have a bunch of dust or dirt or a piece of plastic, cellophane, any large object, even a big leaf can get caught in here at a certain angle and the dirt pack in around it, and it will completely fill this area with dust, dirt, and debris from the floor, and none of it will make it into the water. So if that happens, you're going to clean all of this stuff out, but the easiest way to make sure you get it all cleaned out properly is to grab the bristle here, and you are going to roll both of them back. After you roll them back, we will unhook the belt from the drive line, set that to the side. While you have this off, you can take a pair of scissors and, or a knife and cut any of the hair and fiber off and pull it from the bristles. If you want, you can use a Lysol wipe to kind of wipe this off and clean it up a good bit. You just don't want to submerge this piece in water. After that, should look about like that. Now, the big thing is we can clean all this out. You do not want to use a lot of liquid here. You can wipe it out with a Lysol wipe. You can take a paintbrush or any kind of dry brush. I'll show you kind of what I use a lot. So I'll take this little cleaning brush and you're just going to knock all of this stuff loose. Okay, so get all that stuff kind of knocked loose. Flip it over, and then after you've gotten the biggest portion of the stuff out, that's when you come in with a Lysol wipe or a damp paper towel and wipe out the rest. If you want to have it deep cleaned or detailed, you can always contact our office. We do offer a full cleaning and servicing on any and all Rainbow products, ranging from just the vacuum head to cleaning out the hoses, the wands, and disassembling and cleaning the main unit itself. After this, reassembly is the exact same thing, but I am going to walk you through the steps anyways. So after we've got it to a point we're comfortable with, main thing is you want to make sure that this piece right here is down in the slot and the neck is flat. And what we'll do, clean my workspace up just a little bit so I'm not getting dirt all over it. We will lay this flat, and you want to make sure that the neck is supported and that piece is easy to push down. Okay, now first thing we're going to do, we're going to pick up our drive line and we are going to pinch the belt just like so. If we look right over here, here is the actual drive line. So we're going to feed that down and in and loop it over the drive line. now that it's looped over the drive line, we will lay it back. And I'm going to show you this. So if we look right here, we have a female piece. If we look up here, might be hard to see, but we got the male piece, and that is on both sides. So when we go to put this back together, we are going to bring these both up, and we are going to set them in just like so, and then roll them straight back and make sure that they fall in place. Now that they are in place, we will take our sole plate and we will move our bristles to the side ever so slightly on both sides. Push that front down and into place. Then lock everything back down in. We will take our Phillips, you can do it with a pocket knife or a coin, and push it back to the locked position, and that should take care of any blockages, or if you just want to do a general cleaning on the Rainbow SRX 2nd generation power nozzle with the edge-to-edge brushes.